How to get and set up Spotify Premium Duo. Well, to get Spotify Premium Duo, one person, the plan manager, needs to sign up or log into their existing Spotify account and start Premium Duo subscriptions. So Premium Duo, you can search in on the browsers Premium Duo Spotify, and then you can see Premium Duo Music for 2. You can go ahead and proceed, and you can get started here and make the payments and start up the purchase, right? Then they can invite someone they live with to join the plan via email, WhatsApp, or any other method. The invited person accepts the invitation, verifies their address, and both users will then have separate premium accounts within the Duo plan. So this is how you can easily get and set up Spotify Premium Duo plan. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.